In the last week or two, a new superb AI image editor appeared from nowhere and stormed the online world, called Nano Banana. Everyone was surprised by the quality of this new image. There were strong rumors this was from Google. Finally, the speculation was revealed, and indeed Nano Banana is now Gemini 2.5 Flash image editor. So Gemini 2.5 Flash is now the formal leader in online AI image editing model currently. Of course, if you are watching this video after a week or two of its release date, things might change until that, taking into consideration how quickly things are changing online, thanks to AI. We are now happy to know that Nano Banana is from Google and precisely from the Gemini family. This gives us some confidence to use it without any worries about third-party shady intentions or implications. And here's the best part. You don't need to pay anything to try it. Everyone can use Nano Banana for free directly on Google Gemini or Google AI Studio. And it's also available on other popular platforms such as Leonardo AI and Adobe Firefly. Let's try an example. Let's go to Google AI Studio and try to add a silver necklace to the neck of the woman in this image. Let's upload the image. We write, please add a silver necklace to the neck of the woman in this image. One of the most stunning features of Nano Banana is that it makes sure your character and other image components stay the same every single time you generate a new edited version of the same image. That's a great milestone for AI editing, since it doesn't alter the original components. The necklace in this image is a bit thin. Let's make it thicker. All done. Now, try it yourself. Just note that it might sometimes generate unexpected results as other users had reported. Please write down your questions and your experience with this tool and any surprising results that you experienced during your tests so we can discuss it. Like and subscribe to not miss similar videos. Then watch the next AI video that will appear in front of you soon.